I couldn't work out what this dog kept going for my crotch. And it was very embarrassing because it all ended up on film. But anyway, enough about me. What about you? What's going on down in the cheese world of Tassie?
Oh, Toto's still there, so he's still crutch punching.
Wow.
He does that for a bum scratch.
Does it for a bum scratch? Well, we're going down fast here now. And listen, a Wassie. I'd never heard of a Wassie before I came to meet you guys. Where did you guys come across a Wassie sheep?
We're one of the very few farms in Australia that have it. Europe's blessed to have very good dairy sheep. Australia is not. So we basically have East Frieslands and that are great milking breeds, but they can die very easy. So the Wassie are a very strong Arab breed.
Is this part of your sort of commitment to doing organic farming, that you need a good, hardy, I can survive anything kind of sheep? Is that what it is?
That's right. Tassie, it's harsh. You've got some strong winds, cold weather. You need to have sheep that can...
No, mate, you're trying to sell the tourism angle. You say it's really lovely and it's sunny and everyone's friendly, it's never bad weather.
Yeah, no, I don't... We've got to keep it a secret.
All right, so moving on a bit, tell me a little about the Sapphire Blue, because my favourite cheese that you guys make is the La Mancha. And actually, was it last year that was up for an award?
Yeah, it's one of few. The problem is...
It's like a Manchego style. Honestly, track down the La Mancha, but also the Sapphire Blue, which we're actually here to talk about, but whatever. Anyway, so tell me about the Sapphire Blue.
Sapphire Blue, total shock to win the award and very honoured. Being a small producer, we don't make our cheese for awards. We make it to sell to tourists that come to us. By the time we figured out that the awards were happening, we were like, okay, what have we got? And we sent them, what the current batch that we were selling.
It's that forward planning I really admire.
Yeah.
Now, so I'm going to ask you, you guys have got a pretty serious amount of farm gate tourism going on. And look, I've got to tell you, these guys are on the side of one of the busiest highways in Tasmania. They get like 20 or 30 cars an hour. It is amazing. It's pretty out of the way, man. You guys are like 45 minutes south of Hobart. You're on your way to, nowhere. How does it you guys be so successful? Because it is incredible.
Yeah, we put a lot of sheep on the road and that just sort of...
They try to avoid the sheep. Nice. Yeah. He's a comedy actor. Okay, here we go. So, in that case, Mr. Ryan Hartshorn from Grandview, let me ask you the question we've asked everybody all evening. Everyone in life has a skill that nobody knows about them. Ryan Hartshorn, what is your skill?
I've been studying the seagull for quite a while.
The seagull? That flying beach rat.
Yeah, and been very annoyed by it at times. I've tried to look into the psyche of the actual seagull.
You've been hanging out with Uli. That's what you Tasmanians, man. He talks to Jesus, you talk to seagulls. What's going on down there?
That's it. So I did an impersonation of a seagull, and then that sort of progressed into a bit of a dance move.
You need music. Come on to music, Mark. We've got the next dancer. Let me grab that from you.